So when we started to look at upgrading Maximizer prior to joining with Avrion, our previous company, we still had an on-premise solution for Maximizer, which was about 4 or 5 years out of date. And so when we were approached by Avrion to look to upgrade that to an online version, we started to do our research around whether we thought that Maximizer was still the best CRM system for us, as the business had changed massively over the previous 15 years. And so that took a number of months for us to kind of assess all of the competitors in the industry and what the offerings were, and obviously weigh that against the cost of migrating all of our data from Maximizer through to another CRM system. And ultimately what we decided was actually one of the best things for us was to upgrade Maximizer to an online version, but also then to look at further developing the integrations that would only be possible with using an online version of Maximizer. So after we started to deal with Avrion and have those conversations, the process was fairly smooth and quite frankly quite pleasant to upgrade from our on-premise version and also bring it forward 5 or 6 versions. And as you might imagine, there was a lot of changes that had happened with the user interface with Maximizer during those 5 years of development, and so it required quite a bit of time with our employees to go through all of the changes, how it looked, how it worked, and obviously getting used to the fact that we would no longer log into an on-premise version, but that we would access it online, and that has completely changed the way the business operates now.